alluring apartment on offer. This address will give you the perfect start in life and is perfect for buyers seeking a change of lifestyle. The apartment has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and it features dedicated parking for 1 vehicle. The fully renovated chef's kitchen will excite you. This apartment is close to city life, and it also has split system air conditioning. It has a sensible floor plan, as well as gated security. Add to that modern, well-appointed fittings. Looking for the perfect downsizer? Perfect for the daily commute to work? Contact the agent for a private viewing. Easy.